What's good everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here with you is Main Script. First time coming across my channel, make sure you subscribe and also turn on the post notification icon so you won't be missing any update I'll be dropping on this channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be taking you through how to earn money from silencio airdrop. They completed the airdrop season 1 recently, but you can still go ahead to participate in their project and be earning the SLC token. So I'm going to be taking you through all that in this video. So if this is your first time of coming across my channel, make sure you subscribe and also turn on your post notification icon so you won't be missing any updates I'll be dropping on this channel. So just going over to exchanges, the token has been listed. So you see the present what is trading for. So you just having about, that is about 100,000 worth of this token, so you'll be getting about $25 free. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go ahead to get the app. I'll be dropping the link to register in this video description, so you can just go to register. After you've registered, what you just be doing is you just be coming to this place every day. So you can come here every day, you can come here every 1 hour to complete some tasks. So you see the data set here. So this is the one I do participate in. So you can participate in this boat, the street measurements, and this venue check-in. So for this venue check-in, this is just to detect noise around. So what I'll just do is I'll just start active mode. So you see presently is calculating, it's sensing the background noise in the environment. So you see it's calculating. So if I want to stop, I just need to hold it down. Then I'm just going to stop it right now. So once you hold it down, you see the total amount of coins you were given. So this is the total amount of coins you were given. So what you just have to do is you just have to like continue, so you can continue and be doing this for as long as possible. So watching ads too is going to multiply your reward, so you can get up to 100 times, up to 1000 times. So you can also claim without watching an ad. So I just claim without watching an ad and it has been added to my balance already. So you participating in silencio, you tend to earn free coin, that is the SLC token. So okay, I'll just click on my balance right now. You see the in-app coin I've been able to get. So this is the amount of coins I've been able to get on the app. So I can just go over to my profile. On my profile now, and when I scroll down, you see this stake for reward. You can just go to stake to earn more. So let's say I want to stake. What I'll just do is I'll just click on this stake, then I'll click on this confirm stake. So you see the available to stake now. So what we'll just do is I can just go to select the duration. So let's say I'm staking for 3 months. So I'll just select 100%. I'm staking this amount of SLC. You see 25% OG bonus for a of about 2200, and you see, so I just have to swipe to confirm the token lock. Then it's going to be staked. Once the staking period is over, then it's going to be unlocked for me. So I'll just click on this continue button. So you see my next raffle ticket distribution, so I'm going to be seeing it here. So this is another way of you increasing the amount of coins you're having. So you see the total achievements I've been able to make. So you participating more in this project, you tend to activate much more achievements. So I'll just go back. So now I'm going to be showing you how to make withdrawal right now, because I'm having a particular amount of silencio, that is SLC token. So what I'll just do is I'll just click on this wallet. So once I click on the wallet, you see my available balance right now, and you see the total staked amount. So I just click on this send button. So I can just go back to my wallet to get my address here. I'll just come over to the assets, then I can just go to search for SLC here. So like I said, it has been listed. I'll click on this deposit button, then I'll just go to perform an on-chain deposit. I'll copy the network. Is this is the network. So I just come back to the app, I'll paste in the address, then I'll just click on this continue button. So I'll click on this, so I confirm. So I want to swap, I want to send the maximum amount to my wallet. A verification code will be sent to my email, so I can just go to enter the code. Okay, so you see, congratulations, your transaction is being processed. So what I'll just do is I'll just click on this continue button, then you see that it has been sent, but presently the withdrawals are pending. So you see the withdrawal is processing presently. So I'm going to be receiving this exact amount in my exchange, then I can just go to convert it into some other crypto. So what you just be doing here is just going to register for silencio, then just be coming over to this place. So once you come here, just go to complete any of the above. If it's the street measurements, if it's the venue check-in, this project is just to dictate noise, level. So once you see you're in a noisy place, or even if you're at home, so you can just go to click on this venue check-in, then you just go to start, select your venue, then just go to start. Then the amount you've been able to mine will be added to your inner balance, which will be later converted into the SLC token, so you can still go ahead to withdraw it. So you see that my withdrawal already arrived my wallet. You can earn free cryptocurrency by just participating in silencio. So guys, that will be all for this video. Bye guys.